Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience, who would be curating the RealSci_Nano Twitter account.
Hello everyone, today we have with us Chris Bowen, who is a professor of materials at the University of Bath in the UK. Hi Chris, how are you doing?
All right, I'm fine, thank you.
All right, wonderful. Let's start by understanding your research, your current research. So could you explain your current research to us in simple words?
Yeah, so my main research activity is functional materials, in particular ferroelectric materials. So these materials have very interesting properties such as piezoelectric and pyroelectric properties. So we can use these materials for sensors such as pressure sensors or thermal sensors. We can use them for actuation, for providing mechanical displacements, sonar for sort of listening underwater, or for sending out a ping if you were sending out a signal, and other forms of transducers such as medical transducers as well.
Okay, all right, that sounds interesting, and also quite a wide range of things that you do. All right, wonderful. And what can the followers expect while you will be curating the RealSci_Nano Twitter account?
Okay, so we're very likely to be still locked down in the UK. So the university, unfortunately, will be closed. So really, it will be an introduction to the materials that I'm working on. What I'm trying to do in terms of adapting to the current environment, the collaborations with other researchers, the writing of papers, supervising, and also I'll give an introduction to the materials from my own perspective, from the fundamentals right to the application areas, and what's my sort of research activities going to be in the future.
Okay, all right, that sounds good. And I'm sure you will also be sharing some tips and tricks with the followers.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. And if anyone's got questions, they can get in touch as well.
Okay, wonderful. That sounds amazing. So thank you very much for speaking with us, and we are looking forward to having you on Real Scientists Nano.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.